Hello friends, this is Agnes from Agnes Craft and today we are going to see some ways to use paper scraps and make beautiful cards. These are scraps of paper which I get when I make layers of card. So these are around 9.5 centimeters in length, or you can use your quilling paper strips too. So to start, I take another sheet of paper and then just try to make some arrangements and check which will be looking good. It is just your own imagination to get your beautiful layers. I try to arrange them in different ways just to decide which one I would like. When I am happy with the arrangement, I can start to stick them. Apply glue to the color cardstock. Apply glue throughout and you can stick the papers. Instead of glue, you can also use double-sided sellotape, but I think glue is much easier and is also cost effective. When you finish, make sure they have straight corners. This is also a similar one. Here you can see the lines made by the glue, but once it is dry, it will be nice and neat. So here you can see it is not straight, so you can use a ruler to cut it out and make it straight, or use a cutter to make it straight. When you make sure it is straight, you can stick it to the base of the card. But this one I cut it somewhere wrong. So to alter, I just cut in a wavy pattern. And then I'm going to stick it just like this. This is a stamp set which I got recently from Rosie's Studio. And now I'll be using Oceans of Love. It will be more good when you use this one with a blue background instead of red and yellow. Place the stamp. Now I use Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I take enough ink and stamp it. Okay, this is not clear, so I am going to do it again. Be careful so that you make it exactly on the spot. Now I'm going to add few embellishments. Just add drops of glue wherever you wish. Take a needle tool. This is what I use for quilling. Take a little of glue. This will help to pick up the embellishments, and we can paste it straight without any difficulty. And then it's done. We can add even more stamping works to make it really well. So this way you can use your scraps of paper or use your quilling paper to make new designs or pattern paper. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you with another video. Bye bye.